Actually kaibigan siya nung kaibigan ko. Tapos may time na sabay kaming pumasok. Sa same school kami, pero hindi kami mag-classmates.
Tapos yung friend nga po namin, parang nagkakausap-usap kami na, si Lexus STI din. Kasi nalaman niya STI din ako. Tapos same course kami.
Lexus, bukalbasa yung loob ay yung pagparito upang makay sa dibdib sinenihan ay yung pagkamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay.
Opo.
We don't need a map, we'll just drive.
So ayun, simula noon, syempre, na-develop hanggang sa gumraduate kami na magkasama na kami.
Naging close po kami, yung parang develop na sa isa't isa kasi magkakasi kami, halos lagi kami magkasama, ganun po.
And see what it's like to spend the whole night with you, just you, just you. We can head north over
Bay Max, thank you kasi lagi kang nandiyan para sa akin. Sa hirap, sa saya, sa lahat. Yun, thank you.
Thank you sa lahat ng pagtitis mo sa ugali ko. Alam mo naman na minsan may ugali ako na medyo madali akong mainis. Salamat sa pag-unawa, saka salamat dahil pinili mo ako.
I wanna get lost with you and hide out under the light of the moon. I wanna get lost with you.
I promise to love you with all my heart. I promise to support you in every decision you make. I promise to help you up when your back is aching. And I promise to continue writing it with you, chapter by chapter, for all the days of our lives. Mahal kita, mas lalong mamahalin pa habang buhay.
Gusto ko lang malaman mo na mahal kita at sana magpatuloy tayong tuparin yung mga pangarap natin na magkasama tayo. Yun lang, ipagluluto mo na ako. Yun lang. I love you.
Let's see what the night can do. Let's see what the night can do. Let's see what the night can do. I wanna get lost. Let's see what the night can do. Let's see what the night can do. Let's see what the night can do. I wanna get lost with you. Let's see what the night can do. Let's see what our hearts wanna do. I wanna know what it's like to spend a whole night with you, just you. With you, just you. With you, just you.